In this video, you will learn how to use LinkedIn for networking and finding your place in the job market. The importance of networking is often underestimated by recent graduates. However, it is a powerful tool in finding a career after graduation. It takes more effort than sending out your CV online, but it is often a far more effective way of getting acquainted with the job market and finding a job. What is networking? Networking is more than just asking everyone you meet to take your business card. At its core, networking is simply about getting to know and keeping in contact with people who can help you professionally. So, how do you make initial contact? The easiest point of entry is finding a commonality with the other. By accentuating commonalities, people will be more inclined to help you because they can identify with you. Luckily, there are already people who you have such a commonality with, namely the alumni of the university. Thanks to the alumni tool of LinkedIn, you can easily get into contact with them. You can find the alumni tool by going to the university page. On this page, press the alumni button. Here you will see an overview of all the alumni, where they live, which organisation they work for, and in which field. You can easily filter for your education, profession, a specific function, or even a student society. It is also possible to combine search terms. This way you can easily see where alumni from your profession tend to work and what types of job they tend to have. When you find someone who is working for an organisation or in a profession that you are interested in, you can make a connection with this person. If you don't have a connection yet, you can send an invitation. An example message can be seen here. You emphasize the commonality and proceed to express interest in what the other is doing. Once a connection has been established, you can tell them something about yourself. Repeat that you are interested and propose a meeting. For example, you could propose to grab a cup of coffee or to make an appointment to call on the telephone. Once you are talking to them, there are more than enough topics to cover. What is it like to work for the organisation in question? What does the person do on a daily basis? What did he or she do to get this position? You'll notice that many people enjoy talking about their job and career path. In this way, you can find out what you enjoy and start building on your network. Because you won't know in advance if someone is in the capacity to help you, you will have to find this out gradually. You can start doing this by contacting at least 10 different people. Some people will be busy and not respond, but in the end there will be people who do respond. It might be exciting to step out of your comfort zone. You may find that it is easier than you think. What do you have to lose?